How to download Summertime Saga on your mobile phone. First, open any browser, then search for Summertime Saga, and open the first result, which is the official website summertimesaga.com. Once the site loads, tap on Download Game. Now here you'll see two versions, Stable and Preview. Both of them have their own download buttons, but you should go with the stable version since it's more reliable. After that, it will show you different operating systems like Android, Windows, Linux, and Mac. Now, depending on your device, choose your option. For example, I'm doing this on Android, so I'll select Android. Now, under Android, you'll see multiple download sources like Mega, WorkUpload, and Nextcloud. You can choose any of them, it doesn't really matter. I'm going with WorkUpload because it's easier to download. The download button will appear. Tap on Download, and if it shows a warning like file might be harmful, just ignore it and tap on Download anyway. The game will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, just tap on the file and install it. And that's it. Your game will be installed successfully and you can start playing. And if you want to play with cheats or unlock all cookie jar scenes, you can also check out these videos.